Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabby, and as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be detailing this engine bay. If you have been around for a while, I have obviously been very hit or miss with these videos and pretty much MIA for the past year and a half. I've really been ruminating on what to do with this channel because I truly no longer have time to detail for 8 hours a day, but I have come up with a new plan so that I can continue to detail and continue to post videos for you guys. It's just going to be in smaller pieces. So I am going to do all the detailing I can during a week, and then that's what I'll post for my weekly video. And then when I finally have that car completely finished, however long it takes, then I will compile all the footage I have and make like an old school complete detail video for you like I used to. But at this stage in my life, I don't have the time. If you are new, I have a 1-year-old baby who pretty much takes up all of my time. But I've been getting so much better about how I schedule my time and what I do with my free time because there's so little of it. I now feel confident that I can make these videos again and get back into detailing, which I'm really excited to do. I've been putting it off for so long because I just didn't know how to make a full video, but then I realized I don't need to make a full detail video. It will come when it's time, but there's nothing stopping me from posting partial details and like specific areas of cars and detailing those. Like, this channel is mine. I can do whatever I want with it, and there's no reason not to just start and see how things go and see what you guys like and just figure out a new flow and figure out a new way to get this done because I just don't want to leave this channel abandoned any longer. I got into this engine bay detail because I'm kind of avoiding the inside of the car. However, as I started doing this, it became very clear that this is a perfectionist's worst nightmare. Like, there are so many tiny crevices that you absolutely cannot get to in here. So I had to cut out so much footage of me just like fiddling around trying to get like these tiny areas that you could not see. It was such a mess, but I prevailed nonetheless. Also, if you are concerned at all about anything that might be getting wet or getting drips of liquid into it, I did not drive this car for like 24 hours after I did this, so any drip that may have gone into a place that it should not have would have been totally dried, so no worries there. But hey, I didn't pressure wash it at least because I do not feel confident in what can and cannot get wet in here, but it would have made things so much easier. Also, I would like to apologize for the aggressive lighting flickering. Not only am I getting back into filming and I was just completely unaware of how I kept stepping in front of my ring light, my GoPro makes lighting adjustments and I gotta see if there's a setting to make it stop doing that and if it can just like hold an initial setting that I put it in. Let me know if you know how to control that and get this flickering to stop because it's driving me bonkers and I'm sure it's driving you guys nuts too. So I apologize for that. Like I said, just getting back into the flow of things, but I will get that sorted out or I will just set up my camera in a way that I'm not getting in front of it like that because I can't stand it. Alrighty guys, just a few finishing touches for this engine bay and it will have been beautified. And don't worry, at the very last second before I closed the hood, I realized that I did not do the underside of the hood, so I did that really quick off camera, but I will show you some before and afters of that as well. So, I hope you enjoyed this engine bay detail. If you want to stick around to the end of the video, I also detailed the trunk. Not as dramatic of a before and after as this engine bay, but again, still avoiding the inside of this car. So I'm gonna stop talking, put on some jams, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new to the channel and want to see me detail the rest of this car, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.